Hello guys, thank you for always stopping by to watch my tutorials. So today we are making this beautiful top. It's going to have a sweetheart as a neckline and a small puff sleeve. It's an off-shoulder top, very beautiful. Guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share this video, give this video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this video and learn from it. And also don't forget to watch our other videos. Please watch this video to the end, guys.
Yes, we are making up shoulder small puff sleeve with sweetheart neck. So this is the fabric that we are using to make it. It's a top that we are using to make this tie. So this is the front and that is the back side, the wrong side of it. So it's up shoulder. So let's get started with our measurement. So I'm taking away from our tape rule by 5. So this is the half length and that is the length, that is the full length of it, because it's a very small top that we're using to make. So what I'm having at the length is 17. So the vertical length is that 17. So the horizontal length is 11. So what we are using, that is the everything that we are using there is 11. So now let's get started with the measurement now. So we start with our neck. So I'm marking 3.5 to get our neck. So after that is a sweetheart neck. To bring it down by the cleavage, I'm marking 2 on it. So after that, just for us now to give it that sweetheart neck, to curve it. So that's what I'm doing there, as you can see. So that is the neck. So the neck is done. So what else now is for me now to start with our measurement, that is the body measurement, that is the bust measurement. So our bust is 32. So I'm marking 8 on it, that is that 32, adding my sewing allowance on it. I'm adding 1.5. It's 1.5 that I'm adding to the sewing allowance. So to get our armhole, so I'm marking 1.5. You remember it's up shoulder, so I'm still taking away my 5 that I want to use for the sleeve. So that is the armhole size. So now you take it up again to get that bust measurement. So I'm bringing it up again to get our bust measurement. Remember, our bust measurement is 32, adding your allowance on it, that is sewing allowance 1.5. So coming to the half length, my half length is 15. So on that line, that is where you get your measurement for your waist. So on the half length line, so my waist is 25. So you mark your 25, add your 1 inch dot, that is the 1 inch, before you now add your sewing allowance. My sewing allowance is 1.5 that I'm adding there now. So that is the 1.5. So we've gotten our measurement at the waistline. So come to the down side, that is the length now, because it's a top, a smart top, and with a small puff sleeve that we are making. Is up shoulder. So my hip line is 36, adding my 1.5 allowance there. So we're done with the measurement. So it's for us now to connect. So I'm connecting it from my neckline to my armhole. That's what I'm doing there now. So that is the neckline side. So to the bust, connecting it from the bust to the waist, and from the waist to the length. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please watch my video, give it a thumbs up, and share it to your friends so that they can be able to watch my video also. So this is the curving side. I don't want it to be too straight, so I'm marking 1 inch on it for that curving side. So I'm curving it by 1 inch. So that is the downside of it, and that is the measurement. We have done with the measurement. So what I will do now is for us to cut it out, like the front side of it is up shoulder that we are making with a sweetheart neck. So this is the cutting side of it. So I want to cut it out now. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please, I'm begging you to subscribe and share this my video to your friends. Let them watch it also. So that is the cutting side of it now. So we're done with the front. That is the front side, and that is the neck that I want to also cut out. So can you see I'm cutting it? It's a sweetheart neck that we are making on this up shoulder with a small puff sleeve. So this is it now. So done with the front. So it's just for me now to use the front side of it to lay at the back and to cut it out, because we have already done the measurement for the front. So this is the front, and I have my zipper allowance. So my zipper allowance that I want to add there at the back is 1.5 that I'm adding to it to get our zipper allowance. So that is the zipper allowance. So I'm also marking it and chalking it for you to see how it is. That is the zipper side of it, that is the zipper allowance. So I'm rolling it out. So we have done with that. So just for me now to also cut it out and to go and stitch. So I'm still arranging it very well for you to see. So we're done with that. So the back side of the neck is front neck that I'm giving it. So that is the armhole side that I'm cutting also for the back side. So that is the down side of it that I'm also cutting out also. So before you know it will be ready. Please, this video, I want you to watch it so that you can do it on your own. Sew it on your own. It's a very beautiful stylish top that we are making with up shoulder and a small puff sleeve that we are making with it. So that is the open side of my zipper allowance. So I'm opening the zipper side of my allowance now. So we're done with the cutting at the back, using the front to cut it out. So it's ready. So now this is the sleeve now. It's a smaller sleeve. It's a chiffon material that we are using. That is 8, the length is 8 there. So that is the length side of it now. So what I will do, I will just go to the machine and gather it, because it's a very long one that I cut out for me to gather. I want it to puff very well. So can you see what I'm doing there now to show you how the fabric is? It's a organza material that we are using to make this small puff sleeve, and it also has a band on it. So now this is it. So I've stitched it. So this is the band that I'm showing that I will use to complete the length of the sleeve, and the width, the length is 4. So that is the band of it now. So I will take it to the machine and stitch it out, and before you know it will ready. So can you see what I've done now? I've gone to the machine to stitch it, to gather it out, and that is the band there that I was also showing you. So it is, so you can see that it's ready. So
We have stitched our sleeve on the main top. You can see how beautiful our off shoulder sweetheart top came out. Very beautiful, guys. If you don't understand what we did here, you can watch the tutorial again and again so that you can learn how to cut it on your own. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button to subscribe to support what we do here on this channel. You can share this video with your friends, turn on your notification bell so that when we upload new video like this, you get to see and watch it. Thank you for watching, guys.